Children, now it's time to test your progress. As we have completed all these topics, hope you all understood everything and ready to score 100%. Let's step forward for a quick revision. The product of 8 multiplied 2 multiplied 10 is blank. So product means result of multiplication. 8 multiplied by 2 is 16. When we multiply 16 by 10, we write 0 in the ones place or right side of the 16 and it will be 160. How many hours are there in 25 days? As you all are aware that there are 24 hours in a day. To find out the hours in 25 days, we need to multiply 25 by 24 and the answer is 600. Six tens to ones is equal to 5 tens dash ones. This is related to borrowing. Here the digit in ones place took away 1 10 from tens room and only 5 tens are left in tens room. Then 1 10 means 10 ones. Add 10 ones and 2 ones, it is 12 ones. 750 multiplied by 10 multiplied by 1 is equal to what? When we multiply any number by 10, we write 0 in the ones place of the number itself. So 750 multiplied by 10 is equal to 7500. Multiplied by 1 is equal to the number itself, that is 7500. The product of even number between 5 and 9 is. Even numbers can be divided by 2 and odd numbers cannot be divided by 2. And even number between 5 and 9 are 6 and 8. And product means the result of multiplication. So product of 6 and 8 is 48. (422) multiplied by 10 is equal to what? Again the same rule, multiply by 10. Put 0 at the ones place and 420 will move to the left. So the answer is 4200. If 7 multiplied by 11 multiply 4 is equal to 308, then 4 multiplied by 7 multiplied by 11 is equal to what? Very simple, and without any calculation you can easily find out the answer, as we can multiply the number in any order. The product will remain the same. So the answer is 308. Multiplying any number by 100 means placing 2 zeros to the dash of the number. When we multiply any number by 100, we will write 2 zeros at the end of the number or right side of the number. That is in the tens and ones places. And the number to be multiplied will be moved to the left. Add greatest 2-digit numbers and smallest 2-digit numbers and multiply their sum by 10. To solve this problem, first you need to find out the greatest and smallest 2-digit numbers, that are 10 and 99, and sum of these numbers 109. Now multiply by 10, put 0 at the right side of 109. The answer is 1090. 16 multiplied by 0 multiplied by 5 is equal to what? You already know that when you multiply any number by 0, the answer or the product is always 0. So simply when you see 0 multiplying by any number, the answer will always be 0. (960) multiplied by a dash is equal to 960. Here you can see the number to be multiplied and the product are same. How do you get the same number as product? When you multiply the number by 1, the product is always the number itself. So the answer is 1. If 350 is subtracted from me, the answer is 650. Who am I? How do we get that number? By adding 350 and 650, we will get the answer. So the answer is 1000. A boat can carry 48 people. How many people can 17 such boats carry? 48 people can sit in each boat and number of boats are 17. Means 17 times 48 or 48 multiplied by 17. And product is 816. What comes just before 4500? To get just before numbers, we can subtract 1 from the given number. So 4500 minus 1 is equal to 4499. Largest possible number using all the digits 5, 4, 6 and 8. To make largest number, write the digits in descending order, biggest to smallest, like 8, 6, 5, 4. Yes, 8654 is the largest possible number that we can get from these digits. Place value of 7 in 8742 is. So on which place the number 7 is sitting in 8742? It is hundreds place. So the place value of 7 in this number is 700. Successor of 3 digits largest number is. To solve the problem, first you need to find largest 3-digit number, and that is 999. And successor means just after number. Successor of 999 is 1000. Compare these numbers. Here crocodile's mouth showing greater than, less than and equal to signs. Crocodile like to eat bigger numbers. Its mouth will open towards bigger numbers. First number is 3006. Second is 3006 tens. It means 3060. Crocodile mouth will open towards 6060. Here again we need to compare these two numbers. Which is the bigger number? First number is 7849. Second number is 7849. Wow, both are equal numbers. So we put equal to sign in between both these numbers. "13 weeks have dash days." How many days are there in 1 week? 7 days. Then how many days will be there in 13 weeks? It means 13 times 7. 13 multiplied by 7 is equal to 91 days. I am 600 more than 1200. Who am I? More than means here we need to add the given numbers to find the answer. 600 plus 1200 is equal to 1800. "37 added to 963 gives dash." Now add 963 and 37 and the answer is 1000. 7 plus 7 plus 7 plus 7 plus 7 is equal to dash multiplied by 7. We have already done with repeated addition. Here you need to check how many times the number 7 is repeated. It's 5 times 7. So 5 multiplied by 7 is equal to, yes, the product of which of the following two is 1000. Product means answer of the multiplication. So 10 multiplied by 10 is equal to 100. 1 multiplied by 100 is equal to 100. 1 multiplied by 10 is equal to 10. And 100 multiplied by 10 is equal to 1000. 12 added to itself 5 times gives dash. Again, it's repeated addition. 5 times 12 or 12 multiplied by 5 is equal to 60. The time between noon and midnight is denoted by dash. We use ante-meridiem for before noon, post-meridiem for afternoon, and the time between noon and midnight is afternoon. So the answer is post-meridiem. "12 o'clock at night is called dash. 12 o'clock in the day is called noon, and after 12 o'clock in the day is afternoon. Before 12 o'clock at night is called night, and 12 o'clock at night is called midnight." How many hours are there in 9 days? First of all, you should know how many hours in a day. 24 hours. So hours in 9 days means 9 times 24. 24 multiplied by 9 is equal to, yes, correct, this is 216 hours. There are dash seconds in 7 minutes. 1 minute is equal to 60 seconds. 2 minutes is equal to 60 multiplied by 2, 120 seconds. 3 minutes is equal to 60 multiplied by 3, 180 seconds. Similarly, 7 minutes, how many seconds? 60 multiplied by 7, this is 420 seconds. The hour hand of the clock takes dash to complete the one round. Hour hand takes 1 hour to move to the next number, and a clock has 12 numbers 1 to 12. Well, to complete one full round of the clock, hour hand needs 12 hours. There are dash days in a leap year. Leap means one extra day, and normal year has 365 days. And to find the days in leap year, we need to add one extra day to 365 days. So a leap year has 366 days. How many minutes are there in 8 hours? 1 hour is equal to 60 minutes. 2 hours is equal to 60 multiplied by 2, 120 minutes. 3 hours is equal to 60 multiplied by 3, 180 minutes. Similarly, 8 hours is equal to 60 multiplied by 8, 480 minutes. The hour hand goes from 6 to 7 in dash. To move to the next number, the hour hand of the clock takes how much time? It will take 1 hour. In the evening, Navya goes to play in the park at the time showing the clock, and she comes back after 3 hours. The time showing clock is 5 o'clock in the evening. After 3 hours, it's 8 o'clock in the evening. She'll come back at 8 p.m. We celebrate Children's Day on 14th November every year. If the year is 2018, then write the date for Children's Day. For this, first of all, we will write date, then the number of the month, and finally we'll write the year. So the answer is 14.11.2018. Choose the correct time for the given clock. Here you can see both of the hands of the clock are on number 3. So the time showing the clock is, yes, correct. This is 3:15. Quarter to 8 is written as dash. 8:15 means 8:15. 8:45 means 8:45, 7:15 means 7:15, and the right answer is 7:45, that is 7:45. The Hindu Arabic number for this Roman numeral is: capital I denotes 1, capital X denotes 10. So 2 times 10 means 20 and 3 times 1 means 3. 20 plus 3 is equal to 23. Look at this calendar and decide how many Saturdays are there in this month. Where are the Saturdays? Now count how many Saturdays are there. These are 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5 Saturdays. There are 5 Saturdays. Now in the same calendar, find out the date on 3rd Sunday. Find the Sunday in this calendar. The date of first Sunday is 2, second Sunday is 9 and the third Sunday is 16. Is it a leap year? Normal year has 365 days. Leap means jump. So a leap year takes a jump from 365 to 366 days. You can divide a year by 4 to find out if it is a leap year or not. So 2020 can be divided by 4 without any remainder. So it is a leap year. Which date falls on the last day of this month? The last day of the month falls on Monday, and the date on this day is 31st. Right answer is 31. A storybook has 215 pages. How many pages will be there in 38 such storybooks? Total number of pages in each book 215. Number of books 38. So 215 multiplied by 38 is equal to 8170. In a small town there are 2185 women, 3565 men and 2094 children. What is the total population of the town? Total means putting together. So add these three numbers and the total population is 7844. If there were 4567 pens and 2340 were sold, then how many pens were left? Here you can see the word left. It means to take away. It means we need to subtract 2340 from 4567. And the answer is 2127. If yesterday was Tuesday, then what will be the day after tomorrow? Yesterday means the day before today, and the tomorrow is the day after today. So yesterday was Tuesday, today is Wednesday, tomorrow will be Thursday, and the day after tomorrow will be Friday. If today is Monday with the date 22nd September, then what will be the day on 25th September? After 22, 23, 24, 25 means 3 days more after Monday. What will be the third day after Monday? It will be Thursday. We play at 5:30 p.m. in the morning. 5:30 p.m. means post meridian, denotes the time after noon or before midnight. So this is a false statement. It should be we play at 5:30 p.m. in the evening. The hour hand takes 30 minutes to complete full round of the clock. Full round of the clock is equal to 60 minutes. So hour hand takes 60 minutes to complete the full round of the clock. So the statement is false.